Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see here, we're going to do some pork and beans. So I've got some nice pork loin. You can use any type of pork actually you want. We're going to make some tomatoes, garlic, smoked paprika with our beans. Absolutely wonderful. You can have that with rice or with bread. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. Really simple, this one today. So tomatoes, onions, black eyed peas, pork. All of the amounts are going to be in the text below. The black eyed peas that I'm using are cooked. They're from a can already. If you're using from a can like me, wash them really nicely in cold water. If you're going to use them from dried, make sure you get any little stones out of them. Usually you get a few stones in there. The pork that I'm using is pork loin. There's no bone in there, just some strips. We've got garlic and smoked paprika. It's going to give it a wonderful flavour. Well, both of them are going to give it an incredible flavour. We're going to start this off with some oil, add some salt and pepper. That's about it. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using an olive oil. You could be using something different if you want. And we're going to start off by dropping in our pork. And like I just said, we've got no bone in there. I'm using pork loin. You can do this with belly pork if you want, or another cut. We're going to go on this kind of medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we've got some nice colour on there, as you can see. At this point, we're now going to add in our onion and our garlic. And staying on this heat, keep it moving for about 3 minutes. Okay, so those onions are just softening nicely. What we're going to do now is add in that fresh tomato. The smoked paprika, which is really wonderful. If you don't have it, try and get that. It really makes a big difference. Salt. Black pepper. Little mix. Then what we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit of water. Going to pop a lid on that. Stay on this kind of medium-ish or just a little bit above medium heat and go for 6 minutes. No need to touch it. Okay, let's get the lid off. Steam out. It's fantastic. You can see those tomatoes are broken down nicely. They've also given off a little bit of moisture. We're now going to get our cooked beans, our black eyed peas. We're going to give them a little mix in. We're going to get the heat on simmer now. Super low heat, as low as you can. And if you wanted, you could add some more water here, or even stock. You don't have to use water. I'm just using water. You could use like some stock if you wanted. Lid back on. 5 or 6 minutes, we're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. And there we go, we've got some really nice pork and beans, or black eyed peas. Check that for salt. I'm now going to add some fresh parsley. Could use some cilantro or coriander if you wanted. And that's it. Really, really good. I love that. Now, if you don't want to use black eyed peas, you could use a can of baked beans. That can also go in there as well. Super duper. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.